Alright guys, welcome to the latest unboxing, and this one is the kind of package that I like more in general. Because things don't tend to get smushed when you put them in a nice box, right? That's why they call them unboxings instead of unparcelings. Is there such a thing as an unparceling? Don't ask me, I didn't write the language, I didn't create the language. Ooh. Cool stuff. There is a box, and inside a box we have multiple little boxes. Cool. What is that? Tattu. Hopefully these are batteries and not bricks, because you never know these days. You never know. And then there is another box. Alright, well in part 2 I'm going to start really unboxing the boxes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.